What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to display stock market information into Gutenberg WordPress editor, the free WordPress editor tool. So in the previous videos that I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here, we did learn how to display stock market information in WordPress using WP Bakery and installing this plugin. In addition, we have another video that I'm gonna leave a link right here as well, sharing how to design and display these graphics to give these graphics custom stocks, custom colors, custom fonts, and change the language, of course. But now it's time to learn how to display this using Gutenberg editor. It also works in Elementor and works into the widgets as we told in the previous video. So if you are curious about how to install and start using this plugin, I recommend that you review them. But let me go to the Gutenberg editor into my WordPress dashboard. You can display into a post, a custom post type, or a page. Let me give this post some title. And into the contents, I'm gonna click on add block, this plus button. And I'm gonna search for stock. And here's the plugin block for Gutenberg editor. Click on it. And once the plugin is already set it up, here's the result we have. If you go to the preview, we can see the page working perfectly. Once we did set the plugin data to display into the 100% of the display size, here's what we have. The graphics getting the entire possible size of the post. Just like is here, but in one half column style. Let me reduce the heading size type. Here's the process to add a new one. If you want to delete, go to the three dots into the right corner. Click on remove block. Now let's imagine that you want this across your post data but using some columns layout. So use the column and into the plus button inside of the column, add the plugin data. Now add a paragraph and type your text. Let me copy some text. It's just to occupy the space. Let me remove that block as well. And here's the result we have. Let me preview the change. And as you cannot see, we have a smart block and the responsive block as well. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodel.com portfolio of WordPress themes with full compatibility to this stock market overview WordPress plugin. And I see you later. All the best!